as you can see, they're working on the bridge. That's going to be really close to where this one was. I'm real curious when they're going to tear this out, the concrete down to, I wonder did it go all the way to bedrock? I bet I'll find out. Now, I wonder how many piers they'll have across there. But, yeah, you can see that house on the hill pretty good right now, but as summer comes, it just gets totally covered up with greenery. Well, them are some really large bulldozers, but they're getting it. Another thing would be how high they come up to avoid the flood, because the high water got to the top of these, even above the top of these concrete piers out here. So that means they got to go up at least another 5 to 8 feet higher. I ain't got myself into where I can see the drawings yet, but once I find out who the project manager is and the project engineer and talk to them a little bit, maybe they'll give me some information that'll show me, you know, what the bridge is actually going to look like after it's completed. That'll be fun. All right, another pretty day to do the bike ride, so I'm still just trying to get in bike shape. So I may not go too far today. All right.